name's Kenneth Cole. I teach technology engineering for 7th and 8th graders at Clyde Middle School. It's a lot of hands-on stuff, so for those kids that do not do well in traditional classrooms and they might be getting a little bored because they like to fidget, they're always active, that's the class that probably is going to benefit them the most. I truly think that the only way for them to learn is to actually do it. And those kids typically succeed because they're building and it's failing and they're redoing it and learning from the whole process. The hard part is basically letting them go down that path and have them fail, but kind of show them that it's okay. What do we learn from it? How do we fix it? We change it, and then we make the improvements, and then they get to see actual results. We'll investigate things like aerodynamics, and when we do aerodynamics, we do everything from dragsters, where they're CO2 powered, from a block of wood, and they design it. We'll do gliders. We do different challenges where they actually have very limited materials and they have to do an impossible task. And sometimes I set up where it's impossible and they can't get it done, and somebody figures a way to do it. So it's kind of all right, you guys taught me something, and a lot of it is just that abstract thinking and getting them to get out and venture on their own to say, hey, I'm gonna do this, as opposed to being told what to do and how to do it and make it look pretty. I don't care about that. It's make it functional and make it work. Solve a problem and make it better and find a better way to do things. You know, what you do in this class will have applications later on. So to me, it's a resume builder for them to say, hey, we're doing these different types of challenges, we're doing these things, and we're using different equipment. Everything from, band saws to power drills, getting into 3D printers and laser cutters and engravers and things that are very high tech and have a very specific function, and they find different uses for them and can create those things in my class. Kids that need to be taking my class, those ones that are curious, that want to know how things work, they're the ones that get into the kitchen and something's not working, and hey, I'll take it apart and see how it works. I'll fix it. Those are the ones that would probably be good, and ones that want to do that stuff. The builders, the makers, the tinkers, the people that want to say, I want to not just know how it works, I want to make it work better. And getting involved in that, I think that would be some of those kids that I'd want to attract. For boys and girls, as equal, if not better. Most of my really good engineers are usually the females, and they didn't realize how good they were. So with the big push in women in STEM, there's a lot of travel and a lot of opportunities for them to compete and also be a part of a program.